Backstage Pass is a pioneer in gaming education. We began our journey 10 years ago. We offer 4-year bachelor courses as well as a 1-year advanced diploma courses in game programming, art and design. We have an in-house incubator for students to experiment with their ideas so as to facilitate practical learning and encourage our students' work. Now, we stand as a pillar in the gaming community with over 500 students and alumni working in the top multinational game companies. Our mentorship approach, which ensures close guidance to each student. Our focus on fundamentals, which builds a strong foundational knowledge. But above all, our focus and passion for making our students' dreams come true by making them stellar game developers. Backstage Pass is the ideal college for all passionate game enthusiasts looking to make a career in the games industry.